Well, Joe, what do we have going on today?
How you doing, Danny?
Doing good.
This deck is way out of level. I'm just trying to determine how far out it is so that we can build it up. That outer edge is sunken down into the soil, so we have to build it up and pour new footings. And I'm just trying to figure out how far up we need to build it.
Okay.
And the deck's about 10 feet wide, and you can't get an accurate reading with just a 4-foot level. So what I've done is effectively extended the accuracy of the level by setting it on top of a perfectly straight 2x4. Okay. That allows me to get a reading across the whole deck. In fact, I'm going to hold it level. Do me a favor, just measure the distance we have underneath it. It's right about there.
Oh boy, it's 4 1/4. It's not unusual to have a little bit of a slope, but that's a little bit much.
Yeah, that's almost like a ramp. That's way ordinarily you might want about a ½ inch of slope in this distance, but so what we're going to need to do is just build that up.
Now, I guess this same idea could be used for, say, creating a patio or landscape timbers.
Yep.
What about a vertical surface like a problem wall?
Yeah, sure. Anywhere that you'd ordinarily use a level, if you can extend the accuracy by just using a perfectly straight board. On a vertical surface, I'd tape the level to the board just so it didn't fall over.
Okay. Well, you really need a good straight board if you're doing something like this.
Yeah, in a case like this, the accuracy of the whole tip depends on the board. What you might want to do is pick out a perfectly straight board at the lumber yard and use it either that day or the next day before it has a chance to maybe warp.